Your Excellency President of the Republic of Lithuania, Gitanas Nausėda, Honorable President Sauli Niinisto, Excellencies Ambassadors, Directors, dear academic community, partners, friends, ladies and gentlemen. It is a great honor to welcome you this cold but sunny morning to Vytautas Magnus University and to open this conference co-organized by our university and the Transform for Europe Alliance. We gather here at a crucial moment when resilience has become not just a concept, but a collective task. In the face of growing global threats and shifting geopolitical realities, universities must stand at the forefront, not only advancing knowledge, but strengthening the foundation of security, trust, and civic resilience. We are deeply grateful to both presidents for their presence today and for their continued leadership in reminding us that Europe's security, prosperity, and resilience depend on our shared commitment to humanistic and democratic values. Only by standing together as nations, institutions, and individuals can we protect what truly defines Europe: our freedom, our dignity, and our capacity to create a future built on trust, solidarity, and shared responsibility. The European university alliances, such as Transform for Europe, were created to embody this very vision, to unite universities as drivers of change and innovation, to strengthen Europe's identity, and to foster a culture of innovation, creativity, and social responsibility that serves our societies. Our alliance brings together 11 universities across Europe as one multi-campus network, combining research, education, and entrepreneurship, where innovation meets responsibility and local impact grows into shared European vision. As Vytautas Magnus University concludes its presidency of the Transform for Europe Alliance, we take pride in what we have built together. And of course, we look forward with confidence to the new collaborations and shared ambitions that lie ahead. Let us use this conference as a space for open dialogue and genuine collaboration, where ideas lead to action, and where the academic, political, and civic worlds meet to imagine and strengthen Europe's common future. Thank you all for being here, for your dedication and shared purpose. And once again, welcome to Kaunas, welcome to Vytautas Magnus University, your European home for this week. Thank you.
Thank you, Magnificent Rector, for welcoming words. We are deeply honored to have with us today His Excellency, President of the Republic of Lithuania, Gitanas Nausėda. Mr. President, the floor is yours for a welcoming speech.